Good day, students! Welcome back to Science for Young Minds with Merribit Education Center. This is Teacher Bevs, and this series is for Platoon 5. In today's episode, we are going to learn about stars and constellation. But before that, we will have some vocabulary words first. Please see your vocabulary handouts for reference. Do take note of the different words because we will be using these words to our lesson proper. You will learn the word, its pronunciation, the English meaning, and a sample sentence. Are you ready, students? Let's start now. At the end of this part, you will be able to spell, pronounce, and understand the vocabularies about constellations. Here are the vocabulary words in this lesson. Please repeat after me. Number 1. Constellation. Number 2. Ancient. Number 3. Imagination. Number 4. Pattern. Number 5. Mythological. And lastly, number 6. Resemble. Good job! Please say the word with me. Constellation. Let's say it again. Constellation. Good job! Can you say the word by yourself? Excellent. The pattern of a constellation may take the shape of an object. Can you read the sentence on your own? Wonderful. Let's try another one. Please say the word with me. Ancient. Let's say it again. Ancient. Can you say the word by yourself? Very good. Since ancient times, people have been looking for patterns at night. Can you read the sentence on your own? That was fantastic. Let's try another one. Please say the word with me. Imagination. Let's say it again. Imagination. Can you say the word by yourself? Good job! Everyone has a different imagination. Wonderful. Let's try another one. Let's say the word together. Pattern. Say it again. Pattern. Can you read the word by your own? Good job! The pattern of a constellation may take the shape of an object. Can you read the sentence by yourself? Amazing! Let's learn another one. Please say the word with me. Mythological. Let's say it again. Mythological. Excellent. Can you read the word on your own? Very good. Constellation may take the shape of mythological character. Please read the sentence by yourself. That was fantastic. Let's learn another one. Please say the word with me. This is our last word. Resemble. Let's say it again. Resemble. Good job. Can you read the word by yourself? Fantastic. Croc's 4 bright stars resemble a cross. Can you read the sentence on your own? Very good. Okay, now that you've learned the words, let's proceed to our lesson part. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define constellation and recognize some of the most common constellations. Are you ready, students? Alright. Constellation, pictures in the sky. Now, let's begin this lesson with a question. What is a constellation? Any idea, class? Okay, that was fantastic. At night, when the sky is dark with no moonlight or clouds, we can see many stars. Looking at these stars, we can form shape like on the video above. In ancient times, when observing stars, people grouped them into pattern. We called constellation. Now the patterns that you see during nighttime might be different to what your friends see. Why? Because everyone has a different imagination. Connect the dots in the sky. People have seen pictures among the stars just like connect the dots. Early astronomers called these specialized patterns as constellation. Each star in the pattern has a name, and it is connected to a different constellation. It is almost like a connect the dots. But instead of using numbers or dots, the twinkling dots are used to connect to form a specialized pattern. Imaginary patterns. The pattern of a constellation may take the shape of an object, an animal, or a mythological character. Now let's go to some examples of constellation. Are you ready to some stargazing? Alright, now, first example is what we know as Crux. Crux is the smallest constellation. Its 4 bright stars resembles a cross. This cross is known as the Southern Cross. Why? Because it points to the south. Next example is this one, or the Orion. This is known as the Great Hunter. A hunter holding a club and a shield with a sword hanging from his belt. Try to memorize these constellations. Crux and Orion. Okay, now let's proceed to another one. This is the Ursa Major, or the Great Bear in Latin. It looks like a bear, as the name suggests. Right? Okay. Part of this constellation forms another group of stars known as the Big Dipper. The Big Dipper is an asterism, or the unofficial constellations that can be part of a constellation. Okay class, it's trivia time. Shooting star is not actually a star but a meteor, which is a space rock that hits the atmosphere of the Earth, because real stars cannot fall down. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next episodes of Science for Young Minds with Merrivit Education Center. Again, this is Teacher Babs, and happy learning!